unlocking the power of idioms. Hey friends! Welcome back to our channel, where English becomes fun, alive, and unforgettable. Today we're diving into a world that makes English sound natural, colorful, and sometimes a little confusing. I'm talking about idioms.
Yeah, idioms are those phrases that don't make sense if you take them literally. Like, Emma, imagine if I told you yesterday, it's raining cats and dogs outside. Would you have looked out the window expect sky?
I would have run out with an umbrella for puppies and kittens. But yes, that's exactly the point. Idioms aren't about the words themselves. They're about the meaning hidden behind them.
And once you learn idioms, you'll notice two things. First, native speakers use them all the time. Second, using idioms yourself makes you sound more fluent, more natural, and more fun to talk to.
So today, instead of boring definitions, we're going to learn idioms through stories. We'll join characters in real-life situations and watch how idioms pop up naturally in conversations. You'll not just understand idioms, you'll feel them.
Let's jump in with our first idiom, break a leg.
Part 2. The Curious Case of Break a Leg. Two young forest dwellers, Lila and Oren, are standing beneath tall trees. Lila is about to perform a special song at the annual forest gathering.
Oh gosh, Orin, my hands are trembling. My heart is racing. What if I forget the melody? What if I stumble in front of the animals? This is a disaster waiting to happen.
Relax, Lila. You've practiced for weeks. You'll do great. Just remember, break a leg.
What? Orin, why would you say that? Do you want me to actually hurt myself out here in the woods? That's the worst advice ever.
No. I don't mean it literally. Break a leg is an idiom. It actually means good luck. It's what people say to performers before they show their skills.
Wait, so telling me to break a leg is supposed to bring me luck? That makes no sense.
True, it sounds strange, but here's the story. In the old days, especially among performers, people believed that saying good luck directly would actually bring bad luck. So instead, they'd say the opposite, break a leg, to trick fate.
Oh, I get it now. Kind of like reverse psychology for the universe.
Exactly. So whenever someone's about to sing, hunt, or even give a speech by the fire, you can say, break a leg. It means you're wishing them success.
Part 3. A sticky situation. Bite the bullet. University dorm room, late at night. Two friends, Maya and Alex, are sitting with textbooks piled up. Maya is staring blankly at her laptop. Ugh, I can't believe this. I have a 3,000-word essay due tomorrow, and I haven't even started.
What? Maya, you've had 2 weeks to write it. What were you doing?
Procrastinating, watching cat videos, reorganizing my closet. Basically, anything except writing this essay.
Classic Maya. Well, you know what you need to do now? Bite the bullet.
Excuse me. Bite the what? Why would I bite a bullet? That sounds dangerous.
It's an idiom. Bite the bullet means to face a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage, even if you don't want to.
So basically, stop complaining and just get started on my essay.
Exactly. The origin goes back to old times when soldiers didn't always have anesthesia during surgery. They'd literally bite a bullet to endure the pain. So now, when you need to do something tough, like writing an essay at the last minute, you bite the bullet.
That makes sense. It's like saying, no more excuses, I'll just do it.
You got it. So, come on, bite the bullet, open that Word document, and type your first sentence. That's a powerful idiom, isn't it? Bite the bullet is all about facing reality and taking action.
And you can use it in so many situations, like dash dash. Finally going to the dentist. I hate dentists, but I guess I'll bite the bullet and book an appointment. Doing chores. The dishes are piling up. Time to bite the bullet and clean the kitchen. Breaking bad news. I didn't want to tell her, but I had to bite the bullet and be honest.
Notice how it always involves something unpleasant but necessary.
Right. Not fun, but unavoidable. Now let's see how Maya handles her essay. Okay, first line. In today's society, technology influences every part of our lives. Wow, I actually started.
See? Once you bite the bullet, the hardest part is over.
You're right. Maybe I should bite the bullet more often. Starting is scarier than doing.
Exactly. Now keep typing. No more cat videos until you're done.
Part 4. Transition to more idioms. We've seen two powerful idioms already. Break a leg and bite the bullet. One is about encouragement. The other is about courage.
And the best way to remember them? Picture Sophie on stage and Maya at her desk. Stories stick in your mind much better than dry definitions.
In the next parts of this series, we'll explore even more idioms, like spill the beans, hit the sack, under the weather, and many more, through fun conversations and relatable moments.
But remember, don't just watch. Practice. In the comments, write a sentence using break a leg or bite the bullet. We'll check them out.
And if you want us to turn your sentence into a mini story in the next episode, let us know. Who knows? You might become a character in our idiom universe.
All right, friends. Until next time, don't forget to keep learning, keep practicing, and keep breaking those language barriers.
See you in the next video.